to decorate this candle, you have two possibilities. If it's too long for you, you can always cut it in the middle. I think I'm gonna cut it, and then you can create two candles. It's just a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna cut it. It's very easy to be cut, and then if you want to use it again, you can just open it and use it again for something else. Okay, now we're gonna take the other sheets this is one white. I take a green one and cut it a little bit more, a little bit wider. Now we can take maybe red, and again cut it a little bit bigger. Now we have three different widths.